Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to restore default setting in MS Paint, such as for resolution and so for other settings. Let's go for color. But before watching the video tutorial, subscribe the channel. So please go to search box and type here MS Paint or say MS Paint. Hit enter or click here and administrator. If you change this resolution and want to make it part again, then go to properties, file and click properties. Now here you will choose the part and you will see the part resolution. If you make any other changes, then you can also so in this way you can reset the settings if you have made the color also. Similarly, you can also make the part setting for color. You want to change it or reset again. Next time when MS Paint is opening, and you will see this part setting. You can change it again from here. Similarly, you can change the setting from here on the part setting. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.